Hello everyone, it's Marina. Thank you for viewing. Make sure that you subscribe. I am posting the second transplant video. So here are some examples of the final product of the second transplant. It's really not important what they are. Just for this video, I just want to show you how to do it if you've never done something like this before. So I was actually on an Instacart shop, and somehow they had to cancel the order, and the policy of the store was to not take returns. So I kind of got stuck with a lot of plastic. I'll show you that here. And I normally don't buy bottled water anymore just because it's very wasteful, bad for the environment. But I had no other choice but to take it. Once I started to drink what was in them, I had no place to discard them, and I felt kind of guilty. So I remember from a class back from probably high school or middle school, where we learned to transplant seedlings. So in the previous video, I think I showed you guys the seeds that we germinated, and I will tell you how I transplanted the bigger seeds. Now, it's really important to transplant seeds that have sprouted and grown this much, especially from germination pods that are very small. As you can see, the roots are huge. If you don't transplant them, they will never get bigger. So my hope is that these roots start to grow more, and then that will push all these stems up. I'm hoping that these stems are strong, like this one here. This one looks a little lazy. As you can see, I'm kind of afraid for this one. So to start your second transplant, you'll start off with a little water bottle. You're going to take this wrap off because you don't really need it, and then you are going to cut the top off. You can do this with scissors or a knife, depending on, whatever you're allowed to do. I used a little knife, and you'll take this part off here. I'll do that for you now. That way, the final product is a little funnel, which I'll find a use for and post on later, and a little planting pod, like so. So what you will do is you will go to your germination pods, and you'll take these and you'll pull very gently. And some of them are going to be very easy to pull out because they won't have a lot of roots. And some of them, like this group right here, are going to feel like they're almost going to break. So if you feel like you're pulling like this and it's stuck, you're going to want to take a spoon and just dig in, and then place each of the plants into one of these. You can put as many as you want in there, or you could put just one. I think it's wasteful to put only one plant. It's a lot of plastic that you're using. You can then fill it with soil and water. You can fill it with a little soil beforehand or afterwards. And then you just keep it in a spot where you have light for at least a few hours a day. I like to mist my plants. For some reason, in the space I'm living in, they tend to get a little moody, and they need some pampering, so they respond well to that. Especially when the leaves kind of look like this here. I just missed it and they start to open. So that is the whole video. Don't forget to repeat it if you missed anything, and I will post another video when there's another transplant. Thank you for viewing, and don't forget to hit subscribe.